Hello everybody and welcome back to my channel. Well, today I'm going to be doing something which should have been done perhaps a few days ago. I've got a cucumber growing underneath this grow light behind me here, and it desperately needs potting on because it's actually touching the roof of the propagator there. So anyway, without further ado, I'm going to make a start on this little project. Please follow me along and stay tuned. And there it is, amongst everything else. And let's take it out. It's definitely outgrown this place, so time to give it a bigger, better home, I think. Here we have a very, very large flower pot, as you can see. And in here, I filled it with, this is compost. This is from a grow bag. I've decided not to use grow bags this year, but have a bit more control. I'm going to use flower pots for all of my plants, like tomatoes and like this cucumber that I'm going to be potting on today. So anyway, I filled it up nearly to the top. I'm going to take out what I think is enough to fit the new plant in, the cucumber that we've got here. So there, that should be just about right. I'll just offer it up to see. Perfect. So, take out the label. And if I gently squeeze the pot all the way round, you can see it's growing roots up part way up the stem there. So this tells me that if I plant this a little bit deep, it should still be fine. In fact, it might even be better because it'll be growing more roots to do more growing, produce more fruits. So out it comes, and look, that really needed a repot, didn't it? Look at those roots, beautiful, so healthy. Anyway, let's pop it into its new home. Like I said, a little bit deep, but that's fine. We can cover that composting around. I planted it right in the middle. Put some more composting around it, just to build it up a little bit. I think one more should do. There we go, we'll put another one around this side. And then, like with all repotting, we're going to give it a really good soak. I'm going to pop the label in. Don't really know if I need the label. I know what it is. But anyway, that's it. Now I'm going to put this back into my shed. And we're going to put it onto this nice solid shelf here. And I'm going to put it into this tray. So I've put the tray there. Lift up our cucumber. Oh, it's getting quite heavy now. Pop that in, and well, there we go. That should be fine there. And it's next to my grow lights, but it's not going to benefit at all from a grow light because, apart from it being too big, it's underneath a polycarbonate roof that's in my shed, which lets in a certain amount of sunlight, not too much. But then I do find with cucumbers, they don't like it too hot, not really. They prefer it a little bit shady and damp. And I've grown them like this for years, and they really love it. As it goes on, I'll put a cane in, train it up there, train it across the roof, across these bars, and the cucumbers hang down and we can just come and pick them when we want. I'll keep you updated, guys, anyway. Thanks so much for watching this latest video. Hope you enjoyed it, hope it helps you in your gardening. And don't forget to subscribe. I'll see you all again next time. Bye.